Do you have a passion for video production? Are you driven by a vision to put digital media to work in your life for a God-centered purpose? Today's digital media technologies make it easier and more affordable than ever to reach the world with your message. Did you know that nearly 2/3 of American adults, that's 62%, get their news and education online? And did you know that about 6 in 10 young adults in the United States primarily use online streaming to watch TV? What does all this mean for you and your mission? You may have thought you missed the digital media boat, but you would be wrong. The time is now to ramp up your digital media production presence, as the cost has never been lower and the opportunities have never been greater. And here's the good news. Wilile Maldonado World Ministries Media Institute is empowering the next generation of biblical messengers to be effective media broadcasters and make the biggest impact on our world by leveraging today's latest digital tools and our unique kinetic approach to digital media education. Join Pastor Wilile Maldonado and digital media instructor Sam Otero as they put their 60-plus cumulative years of ministerial, media production, and education experience to work for you.
And I'm looking forward to teaching a class on digital media virtually with your students and your partners out there in Chicago.
Well, with your help and your accountability and all these different things, believe me, we're going to get it going.
Please consider taking part in our dedicated Bible-based media training course and let our experienced educators coach you along the way to making your vision a reality.
But through these means, we want to direct, facilitate, teach, disciple those who are coming behind us, so they could use these means, these networks, these social media platforms to use it the right way. The whole idea about accountability is to surround yourself, cover yourself, protect yourself. So yeah, this passage clearly tells us, don't conform to the world. So we want to develop in connection with Sam and the Kinetic. We want to network and partner so we could put together our efforts and talents and abilities and resources so we could teach this next generation, how to do it. So they could also find themselves doing what we're doing. So the more, like I said before, there's a lot of work to be done. Me and Sam could do so much, but imagine 1,000 of us.
Contact us today to learn more about this unique, God-centered approach to digital media production. Email us at wmworldministries@gmail.com or call area code 773-661-6955 for more information. And you can visit us online at WilieMaldonadoWorldMinistries.org, where you can learn more and register. Let's go digital. The time is now. Capture, create, and share with Wilile Maldonado World Ministries Media Institute.